Are you looking to view, create, and save filters in your graph? Start by creating a new graph or opening an existing one. We can filter the data using the legend. Click the color in the legend to hide values. Click again to make them reappear. For more advanced filtering, click the filter icon. Let's decide on AND or OR logic. The default filtering behavior is selected as all. This will automatically implement AND logic to the graph, and all active filters will be applied. If you would like to change the logic to OR, click the drop-down and select Any. This means if a record meets any of the active filters, it will appear in the graph. Now let's create a filter. Choose the column and filter type you want to apply. Different options will be available to you depending on your column type. For text values, selecting in, not in, equals, or not equals will provide a drop-down list of existing values for the selected column. Use equals, not equals if you just want to isolate one value, or in, not in to filter for multiple values. Let's select not equals and filter out our blanks. Awesome! Let's add another filter. For date fields, we have two options, static and dynamic date filters. This allows you to filter for a fixed calendar date or use token dates to dynamically adjust your output value according to the current date. Let's filter for anything in the next 3 months. According to today's date of April, this means we'll output anything in May, June, or July. Let's select the field, filter type, and toggle to token dates. From here, I can select my token date as this month. Depending on your token date selection, you can offset time by days, weeks, months, or years. Choose wisely. Now choose numerically how much time to offset by. Since we're looking ahead, let's select plus. Then type the value you need to offset. These are all the filters I want to create right now. Let's click Apply. The number indicates how many filters have been created on the graph. You'll know that a filter is active because it will display next to the Active Filters box. If I hover over each active filter, I can see the values being filtered for. If I want to deactivate a filter from my graph, I can go back into my filter view and deselect the checkbox. Then click Apply. Back in the filter window, I can delete a filter by clicking the X. Keep in mind that only filters created by the owner of the graph or Kurve admin will save in the graph for future use. And there you have it. Happy filtering!